Hey everyone, welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're talking about a product that promises to make your eye makeup routine just a little bit easier. The Kiko Milano long-lasting eyeshadow stick in the color 10 Mauve Brown. If you're someone who loves a matte finish with a blendable formula that holds up throughout the day, then you might want to stick around for this review. This eyeshadow stick is designed for those who want an easy, on-the-go application without compromising on quality or wear. It comes in a sleek pencil form, making it super convenient for quick touch-ups or creating a dramatic eye look. The formula is described as creamy, offering a smooth application that can be easily blended into the skin. And with its matte finish, it's perfect for those who prefer a non-shimmery look with a subtle but defined impact. When I first tried this, I was a little skeptical about how long it would stay in place, especially since I'm often running between meetings and errands, but I was pleasantly surprised. The eyeshadow went on easily without tugging, which is always a win when you're dealing with a pencil-style product. The color, a beautiful mauve brown, has just the right mix of warmth and depth to make it flattering for various skin tones, from fair to medium. It's a versatile shade that can go from subtle to bold, depending on how much you build it up. In terms of longevity, this one really holds up. I've tested it for a full day, from morning to evening, and it didn't budge. No creasing, no fading, just a consistent, smooth finish that looked as fresh at the end of the day as it did when I first applied it. If you have oily eyelids, you might still want to use a primer underneath to ensure maximum performance, but I was impressed by how well it lasted without much effort. As for the application, it's definitely blendable, which is important for creating that seamless look. I did find that working in small sections and blending quickly worked best, as the formula sets fast. This could be an advantage if you're in a rush and need something that stays put, but still offers flexibility for blending. But it also means you've got to work quickly to avoid any harsh lines. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros are pretty clear. It's long-lasting, easy to apply, and blends well. I love that the creamy formula gives a smooth finish without feeling heavy or greasy. The matte finish also makes it incredibly versatile, perfect for day-to-day wear or even evening looks. But there are a couple of things to note. First, if you like to layer on eyeshadows to build up depth and dimension, you might find this formula a bit limiting. Because it sets so quickly, you won't have a lot of time to blend multiple colors together. Second, while the color is beautiful, it's not the most vibrant eyeshadow stick I've ever tried. So, if you're someone who loves bold, intense eyeshadows, this might not be the product for you. When it comes to value for money, the Kiko Milano long-lasting eyeshadow stick is definitely worth considering. It's affordable compared to some other high-end eyeshadow sticks, and for the price, it delivers solid performance. The blendability and long wear make it a good option for someone looking for a reliable, everyday product that doesn't break the bank. In terms of build quality, the packaging is typical of what you'd expect from a drugstore brand: simple, functional, and sleek. It's a twist-up pencil, which makes it easy to use and eliminates the need for a sharpener. The longevity of the product itself is great, and I expect it to last for quite a while, even with regular use. If you're someone who tends to need a little extra help from customer service, Kiko Milano generally gets high marks for being responsive and helpful. I personally haven't had to reach out to them, but their reputation for good customer service is something to consider if you're unsure about trying this brand. As for alternatives, there are other eyeshadow sticks on the market that might be priced similarly, but if you're looking for something with a similar creamy, matte finish, you might want to check out Maybelline's Color Tattoo Stick or the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencils. These could give you a comparable performance for a slightly different feel or price point, depending on your preferences. To wrap up, I think this eyeshadow stick from Kiko Milano is a solid addition to your beauty arsenal, especially if you're looking for a reliable, everyday product with good staying power. If you're after something that requires little maintenance, but still gives you that perfectly blended eye look, this could be a great option. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.